Introduction to AWS Amplify API category. The AWS Amplify API category is a powerful tool for building scalable and secure APIs. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using the AWS Amplify API category to create and manage your APIs. Step 1. Understanding the basics. To get started with the AWS Amplify API category, you need to understand the basics of AWS Amplify and its API category. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build scalable and secure applications. The API category is a part of AWS Amplify that allows you to create and manage RESTful APIs and GraphQL APIs. Step 2. Setting up your project. To use the AWS Amplify API category, you need to set up your project. You can do this by installing the AWS Amplify CLI and initializing a new Amplify project. Once you have set up your project, you can start creating your API. Step 3. Creating your API. To create your API, you need to use the Amplify CLI to create a new API. You can do this by running the command amplify API add. This will prompt you to choose the type of API you want to create. You can choose from RESTful API or GraphQL API. Step 4. Configuring your API. Once you have created your API, you need to configure it. You can do this by using the Amplify CLI to add endpoints and resolvers to your API. You can also configure authentication and authorization for your API. Step 5. Deploying your API. To deploy your API, you need to use the Amplify CLI to push your changes to the cloud. This will deploy your API to AWS and make it available for use. Step 6. Testing and monitoring your API. Once your API is deployed, you need to test and monitor it. You can do this by using tools like Postman to test your API endpoints. You can also use AWS services like Amazon CloudWatch to monitor your API performance. Best practices. When using the AWS Amplify API category, there are several best practices you should follow. These include using authentication and authorization to secure your API, using logging and monitoring to track API performance, and using versioning to manage changes to your API. Conclusion. In this guide, we have walked you through the process of using the AWS Amplify API category to create and manage your APIs. By following the steps outlined in this guide and following best practices, you can create scalable and secure APIs that meet your needs. The AWS Amplify API category is a powerful tool that can help you build robust and scalable APIs with minimal effort.